Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, these are for your relationship, guys, and these cards are for your career situation, Taurus. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. This is your card. That is your Oracle guidance, guys. So that may answer some questions we have in our mind about our situation, guys. So let's see what it is after we finish the reading with these cards, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energy, Taurus. We have Two of Wands in reverse, Ten of Wands, and Ace of Swords all in reverse, guys. So in your situation today, Taurus, you have some kind of apprehension or worry. Maybe something is going against your expectations, some kind of troubles maybe in your situation today. It may be in your career or in your relationship, guys. And there are some difficulties you need to face today, and there are some situations you are putting in lot of efforts. You are seeing success in few things, but you may have some fear or worry, something obstructing your work, or something is coming in between your work, some kind of obstacles or troubles you are seeing today, guys. And it may be a situation in your career, or it may be your situation in this relationship, guys. And you are with the person you love. You may have a level of understanding, but there are few difficulties, some kind of troubles in this relationship, guys. Maybe you both are arguing about something, some misunderstandings or fights, or this person, you have not told them anything, but they are they have that arguing attitude today. Something is stressing them a lot. So even without you provoking them or saying anything, they are arguing with you or fighting with you, make you accept their views. So some kind of troubles in your situation, guys. It may be in your relationship, or this situation may be in your career. So there are people trying to dominate your decisions. They are trying to control your actions, guys. So that may again make you worry a lot. But I also see for some of you, there are some miraculous changes happening in your situation, guys. So in whatever circumstance you are seeing difficulties, you are going to see some miraculous transformation or change happening today, guys, Taurus. So let's see what are the cards. Let's see where it is. So the cards we picked specific to your relationship, let's see what it is now. So we have the Tower in reverse, Ten of Cups, and Ace of Pentacles. So in your relationship, guys, we see great changes coming in this relationship, guys. For some of you, you may see that your difficulty is going to decrease, or it is going to vanish. Maybe you will see an understanding, or you will be able to these difficulties are bringing out the truth in both of you. So maybe these arguments or fights, they are bringing out a better understanding for you both. So you know this person much better than before now, and that may be the reason you are seeing some new beginning in this connection, guys. And for some of you, Taurus, if you are single and open to a new relationship, you are finding someone interesting coming towards you and they are going to propose to you, guys, Taurus. But for those who are already in a connection, I see that this relationship is moving, progressing in a positive way towards a deeper commitment. Maybe you are planning an engagement or marriage to this person you love, guys. And I also see you are happy, you have contentment and happiness, joy. That is what I see, guys, with these cards, Taurus. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. So we have Four of Wands, Hermit in reverse, and Nine of Swords. So there are some difficulties you are facing in your career situation also, guys. There may be some troubles. You are working hard, trying your best. But you, maybe for some of you, you are simply worried because what is happening may not be up to expectation, guys. Maybe some decisions or some outcome of your projects, whatever it is not something you expect. There may be some delays, suspensions, or whatever is coming may be different. But you need to understand that that is also something good. Maybe it may not be your expectation, but it is something. And maybe for some of you, you're taking too many precautions and you have unreasonable fears about your future and you're worrying. But I see a Taurus with this card here, things are going to fall into place, guys, and you are going to feel happy and you are going to see that there are certain new beginnings in your career situation. Some kind of hope, something is changing, giving you hope and happiness, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your career situation. So let's see what is your oracle guidance, guys. So Taurus, let it be your relationship or career, things are beginning to fall into place. That is what I see, guys. So let's see this card, your wisdom oracle guidance. It is the Fates. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, Fates, it just means karma or what to say, today. That is what is playing a part in our life, guys, in each and every one of our lives. So in our relationship or in our career situation, guys, we cannot change anyone or we cannot change any circumstance. So other people, they are who they are. And today, if you want a meaningful relationship, you need to accept what they are and do not try to change them to suit you, guys. This is the time to see how you can attempt to, instead of seeing how you can try and change the other person, you should see that how you can be in this connection without discomfort for you, and in what way you can adapt to this relationship. So whatever this person is and whatever is happening between you both, this is the right thing happening right now, guys, because there are a few things that we can change and few things that we cannot change. However hard we try, we can never be able to change. So we need to understand that, and each and every one of us are in our own journey. So being in this relationship may be a destined thing, guys. It is going to help you evolve into a better version of yourself. So that is the reason you're in this relationship, or that is the reason you're in this situation in your career. So you need to surrender your expectations and have acceptance in your heart. When you do that, you are going to flourish, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Taurus, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.